my son Cuomo is wilding. He said vaccinate 70 to 90% of New Yorkers. It's time to dip. Wilding. I apologize. Like, I'm just here watching this news unfold. It is late. It is January, whatever day it is today. You want to upgrade your recording device or microphone in order to get cleaner audio for your YouTube videos. This is the video for you. Stay tuned. So in my last video, I explained the importance of having clean audio. Check that video out. Understood, especially on a platform like YouTube where the visual aspect of the video takes precedent. But in all reality, it is the audio that makes the video what it is. Okay, so right now you want to know, why do you need to upgrade your recording device or your microphone? Well, because when you are speaking, you generally need to hear the clean audio. And because a lot of times, just like having stock footage or anything stock, it doesn't give you the extra advantage that the enhanced part may give you. So using this lavalier mic that I have on right now, it actually makes my videos more clear, because in other videos that I did not have this lavalier mic, or that I used another type of microphone, it wasn't as clean. It didn't give me the availability to have ease of editing when I had to edit the audio. You really need to make sure that your content that you're creating has clean audio, because it provides a pleasurable experience for your viewers. So keep that in mind. What are the types of microphones? Now there's a few types of microphones, but for the purposes of YouTube content creation, anything like that, I'm going to list the 3 most popular types of microphones used by YouTubers. The first type of microphone is called the podcaster mic. It's the one I like to call a podcaster mic. This microphone is usually set up with a shock mount for when you hit the mic, so that it doesn't really mess up the sound, because those type of cardioid mics are very sensitive, and a pop filter so that when you're the plosive, those are very harsh sounds when the recording actually comes through. Podcaster mic is very similar to a microphone that's used in a studio.
Are you listening? I hope you hear it right.
The only thing is they have it set up on a desk. It might have a nice little stand, etc., etc. That's the first kind. These type of mics are very sensitive, so you have to keep that in mind. If you drop it, if you bump it, if you hit it, it's going to produce a lot of feedback and a lot of noise in your signal. The second type of mic, which is very, very popular, is called the lavalier. This is an example of a lavalier. It really connects to your recording device. It could be your phone, your iPod, your DSLR, your mirrorless, whatever. Not your GoPro, you can't connect to that I know of. But any recording device that you have, the lavalier mic has a TRS connection that you can plug it in, or a 3.5mm jack that you can plug in, and you can record your clean audio. The lavalier is also sensitive, not as sensitive as the podcaster mic, but it is sensitive. So if I start hitting it, you'll hear the noise. One thing about the lavalier mics is that they come in both wired and wireless versions. So the wired version, sometimes you have to hide it so that for the aesthetics, it doesn't look unprofessional, it doesn't look nasty, in other words. Because if I had the microphone, like if you saw the wire like this, it just wouldn't look appealing. In other words, it wouldn't look appealing. So when you're using the wired mic, you want to just hide it, kind of put it under your shirt, whatever you can do, tape it somewhere, whatever, so that it's not in your shot, distracting the viewers from what you're saying, from your point. The last kind of mic, number 3, is a shotgun mic. Now the shotgun mic is mostly used for outdoor shooting.
Shoot the duck! Shoot the duck!
A popular place where shotgun mics are used is football games. So shotgun mic usually is, they hold it over their head. It's a really long mic that extends. Very good for windy situations because it comes with a windscreen. I'm not sure the terminology is windscreen That's the name of it. So it comes with that. Very ideal in windy situations or in open space situations, not more for intimate settings like this, because you really don't want the reverberation of the room. You want it to be close and right by your diaphragm. The difference between the shotgun mic and the other two mics is that it's way less sensitive. So you can drop it, you can throw it. You know, it's not a football, but it definitely has less sensitivity than the other mics. Basically, in summarization, you have three types of microphones that you can use when you're trying to enhance your audio signal. You have the podcaster's mic, one that actually sits down on a desk. You can plug it in USB, you can plug it in TRS. It depends on what type of microphone it is, probably the price range. The second type of mic, which is a lavalier mic, one of the most popular mics for YouTubing, podcasting, and things like that. They come in wired or wireless versions, very sensitive, as well as the podcaster mic. And the last, the shotgun mic, which is very durable, very good for windy situations, and very good for outside. So whenever you're trying to do any work outside and capturing clean audio, you might want to use the shotgun mic. So once again, it's your boy CinaMatics. If you have any questions about this, leave a description in the video below. I'm going to actually do a video that highlights the differences in between the microphones that I presently have with me, and we're going to do a little sound comparison. Yeah, so stay tuned for that video. I think I'll just pop it up at the end of this video so you can click right through it, and we'll see you in the next one.